I've got an Atari Waco bat-handled joystick, and that's connected to this DB9 breakout board, and the breakout board goes to my Arduino Leonardo, and I've got this set up. It's connected to the USB port on my laptop. Yeah, and I added some LEDs, so now if I get the joystick in there, if I go up, you can see the lights up, down, right, left, or a combination of. That lights up, so it's taking that in. I've got my laptop, the Arduino is programmed to send these key presses, so I can play a game of Yars Revenge. And I'm dead.